Lying in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, Utah is one of the ultimate ski destinations in North America. There are 32,000 acres of skiable terrain spread over 15 magnificent ski resorts. But sadly, over the years, more than half of Utah's ski areas have been bought up by multi-billion-dollar megacorporations, leading to insufferable traffic, extreme lift lines, and overcrowded slopes. Thankfully, the soul of skiing is still alive and well, tucked away at the last few bastions of independence. A fun day on the slopes can still be had at a local hill without the headache and hustle of a mega resort. And all it takes is a little journey to find some higher ground. We begin our journey in the heart of the Wasatch Mountains, where only 25 minutes east of downtown Ogden lies Nordic Valley. Originally established in 1968, Nordic Valley has been continuously operating for over 55 years. I met up with 21-year-old lift mechanic Riley Landis to show me around.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Howdy. Welcome to Nordic.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, welcome back.
What a day for it.
Yeah, groomer day this time.
Let's do it.
Yeah, so we call this the old side. So we have Crockett, Bridger, and then Apollo. So these are all like original lifts. I mean, like 1960s. This Apollo lift has been here like 3 of my lifetimes.
As they say, what goes up must come down. And I could not wait to see what skiing at Nordic Valley was all about.
Oh, with the telly turns, I forgot.
Paper stacks, yeah, I got them in the bundles. Harry Potter breaking bread with the muggles. They said I wouldn't make it, now they looking puzzled. They said I wouldn't take it, how to go and hustle. Get the bag, it ain't never getting fumbled. In the jack, but we came up from the bottom. Through the cracks that the light pour in. Have a blast, got the drinks pour in. Take a risk like it's a short thing. Going in, yeah, I'm going all in. Getting food out, yeah, you can bring a friend. Dive right in, let's go.
That was so good.
All right, so yeah, tell me about, there's 3 resorts within like 10 minutes of Eden. What got you here versus like Snow Basin or Pall Mall?
I just love the vibe that Nordic Valley brings. It's like you have everyone learning to come to ski. So there's no like ski ego, and everyone's just like here to have fun, and we're not making fun or trying to go pro. Like you're just here to have a good time and want to spend it the right way.
Yeah, it seems like it would be such a great place to learn how to ski too. Like coming out for your first laps, everyone's just chill, you know? They're here to learn and to like improve, not to show off.
No, I love it, honestly. It's just like a great vibe.
Yeah, it seems like it. It's so fun. I wish I lived in Eden.
I mean, we still have our ordinances where you can't be within a certain footage of your neighbor, and you're not stacked on top of each other like other places.
Although the historic Apollo lift is the heart and soul of Nordic Valley, the crown jewel is the brand new Nordic Express. A high-speed detachable lift, the Express can bring 6 people per chair up 1,400 vertical feet in just 4 minutes.
Are there any expansion plans here? Is anyone gonna like go open up this hill and put a lift up there?
There's a bunch of plans, but we'll see what happens. This was a giant step just to expand Nordic, and yeah.
There was a lift here though. There's like a slow 2-chair, or was there nothing here?
There was nothing here.
Oh, so this is all new terrain. And when was this lift put in?
2020.
Oh, sweet.
Brand new. 3 years now.
And with a summit elevation of over 7,000 feet above sea level, the Express lift services some of the best terrain on the entire mountain. With tired legs and full hearts, it was time to head back to the base and call it a day. Nordic Valley may not make headlines for acreage or vertical rise, but if your goal is to enjoy skiing the way it was meant to be, outside with friends and a permanent smile plastered to your face, I can't think of a better place to be.